Hello, I'm back with part 2 of this 23-pound box of jewelry purchased online at shopgoodwill.com. So as you can see, we still have a lot more items to get through, so let's go ahead and get started. Here's a gold tone cuff with looks like feathers. And there's a mark in there that says AV Max NYC. Some orange plastic beads. Here's a necklace with a dragonfly pendant. Here's another necklace, and this is beads on a memory wire. It also has some stone chips. Here's another bracelet. This might be an armband. It's a little outstretched and it has these stone, looks like dyed stone turquoise. Okay, some bangle bracelets and a nylon bracelet. Okay, here's a watch. Looks like it might have been handcrafted. It has some embellishments with beads and charms. This is a necklace, a leather cord, and I don't know what this could be. Maybe it's bone or it could be something else. There's a stone here. It's another leather bracelet. Okay, here's another bracelet. Looks like it might be missing something here. I don't think that's the mark. I think that's just part of the back. No, it is something. It does say something. It is some sort of stamp. I'm not sure I can make out what that is right now, but I'll look into it later. Okay, here are some plastic beads. And a brooch, little penguin with a Santa hat. Okay, that says 1983 Hallmark Cards, Inc. I think I'm reading that right. Here is a necklace. It has a pressed flower and some beads. Okay, this clasp, there's a tiny little mark right there. It says 925 on the clasp. I don't know if you could see that. So I'm wondering if this casing is also silver. I'll go ahead and test that out. Okay, here is a charm. It's like a little notepad. Some beads. And a cuff bracelet. Looks like it's wrapped in leather. Here's it's a pin. Looks like this could have been homemade. Beaded flowers. Okay, here is a ring, fashion ring, a flower with black enameling, a gold tone band. Okay, here's a bracelet, a brass tone bracelet with the toggle clasp, some flowers and medallions, rhinestones. Here is a necklace, statement necklace, and it has that chainmail feel. Oh, I think this is, yeah, it's backwards. There we go. And I don't see any marks on this, no tags or anything. Here's another necklace. This looks like it has a magnetic clasp. I don't see a mark on there. And it's like 3 strands of suede. These metal studs. Looks like there's some missing. Here is, I guess it's a necklace, but it's broken. See, there's no clasp here. Let's see if there's any marks on. No. But I think these are real pearls. Kind of feel a little rough. And here is a necklace. It's a heart charm. In the back here, it kind of looks like it's a shell. Kind of see that iridescence. And oh, this is broken though. I don't see any clasp on this. And here is I guess it's a pendant. Owl in a cage. Here is a necklace, a cross, some pink AB rhinestones. Here are some beads with a tree charm. And I believe these are stone, real stone beads. Here's another bracelet. This looks like a tile, some sort of tile with the sunflower on it. It has a leather cord. Here's some beads. A bracelet. It's a gold and silver tone hearts. So there's something written here. And that says China. Let me see if there's anything. Oh, this has the extender with the 2 clasps. Let me see if there's anything written inside. Nope, no marks in there. Check this one. Yeah, nothing in there either. Okay, some plastic beads. And here's a bangle bracelet. It's gold tone with some blue and white enamel flowers. And I don't see any marks in there. There's a chain, gold tone chain. Okay, there's something here. $22K GL. I think that is gold layered. I think it might be just like a gold plating. Let me check. Yeah, it kind of sticks to the magnet. You can see that a little sticking. Okay, here's some bangle bracelets. Okay, now this is an earring. It's a bracelet and an earring. It's almost the same size. Look like bangles. Here is a bracelet. I think that's a bear. Okay, there's something there. Made in USA. Okay. Here's a necklace. It's like it's supposed to be 2 hearts. See the bale's kind of turning copper though. And I don't see any. There's a clasp here, but it looks like it might have been replaced because it's a different color. But no tags on this. Another bangle bracelet. And some beads. They look like they could be seeds. And here's an owl keychain. It's a tassel and a lobster clasp. And some rhinestones inside. Okay, some pink beads. This is a necklace. There's a knot in here. Okay. Here is a necklace. It's like it's supposed to be a tiger. And this is a statement necklace, silver tone, different color rhinestones here. It looks like it's broken. And there's pieces missing here. There's no tags on that. Okay, here's a bracelet. Pink leather. Yeah, it says leather. There's a mark on there. And it looks like that is a 925 mark. I think it's upside down. But yeah, that says 925. So this little charm could be silver. I'll go ahead and test that out later. And I don't see any other marks on here. Okay, here is a necklace. This one also looks broken. You can see the wires and some beads falling off of it. Okay. And I don't see any marks on there. Oh. Okay, I think this might have been a brooch. Here's a necklace. Gold tone with a toggle clasp. And there's a mark here. It says M. There's another one here. and that says Monet. Here is looks like a cuff, but it's very small. And the opening is very small as well. I don't think I'd be able to get that on me. It's a snake. Okay, here's another bracelet. And finish looks like it's coming off in a lot of places. Okay, there is a mark on here. That is Napier. And here are some beads. This is the necklace. It's like multi-strand necklace. Different beads. Okay, I think this broke off of something. It's part of a necklace. Here's some glass beads, stretchy bracelet. And here's a necklace, some clear plastic. And I don't see any marks on here. Okay, here's some earrings. And a silver tone necklace. No marks on this. Here is a silver tone necklace, another one. Has a little charm, the M, some clear rhinestones. And this tag says Leah Sophia. Here's if it's a necklace, it's all tangled up here. I don't think I'm gonna attempt to untangle this now. But it is some plastic pink beads, multi-strand necklace. And then here is, okay, I guess this is a bracelet, double strand bracelet. And I don't see any marks on this. No. It's a bangle bracelet. I think we saw one like this already in the previous video. We had one exactly like that. Okay, here we go. Here is, looks like a necklace, but it is broken. Looks like there's a piece missing. Here's another necklace, silver tone chain. And I think this is, could be bone, little flower. And I don't see any marks on this clasp. Okay, this is a necklace. Also looks broken. Just missing that end. Has this green kind of puffy flower. Okay, another necklace. Some beads. And here is a brooch, very large brooch. It's feather. Let's see how big that is. And there is a name on there. Looks like Monet. Okay, so I'm going to take another quick break and I'll continue on the next video. I hope you enjoyed watching. I'll see you next time.